Hello everyone! So you may have been wondering where I've been these past years. Just kidding, it's been 3 months since I last uploaded, but it probably felt like years. I've been focusing on other things lately and didn't really have the time for YouTube, or I did have the time but didn't feel like uploading anything. Just so you know, I am doing this whole YouTube thing for fun and not for business or anything. It's just been a fun little hobby of mine. I have been enjoying editing and all, but it was just, time to take a break and just chill a little, I'm happy to upload now. Like every weekend, every Monday will be the video, and I'll just record the week on a weekend since I do have school. But yeah, I am going to be a little bit more active, trust me. As for the content, well, I'm sure we can all agree that Roblox is kind of dying at the moment, and Royal High has some big drama going on, and half of the games of Roblox are like, I don't know, security toilet simulators. I really want to create videos of games outside of Roblox, but it doesn't mean I'll stop doing Roblox, don't worry. We're recording these videos with my two amazing friends named I don't know, and of course Alex. I will link name I don't know YouTube channel in the description so you can go check him out, and I'd love to be active on a small little channel of mine. Anyways, I hope you understand, and I'll for sure see you all in my future videos like Overwatch, Valorant, and just Steam games or other games in general. But yeah, I'll see you there, and peace!